So my reading is done, and if you guys have cats, you know what this is like. And I'm going to do my 10-minute meditation for the morning. No, I'm trying to meditate. Can you sleep?
Sense of kindness and compassion as you observe how you breathe, how you feel, what you think.
Alright. Well, meditation is done. My 8 o'clock alarm is going off as I was trying to turn on the camera. Scared the cat away, and I have that one now too. And it feels really good to, at 8 a.m., have 3 things done that I have been avoiding so much recently. So yeah, welcome to day 4. I am so uncomfortable right now. I have a rash on my armpits. I don't know what happened, but it is so dreadfully painful. So today I think is definitely going to be the hardest day out of all of them to do everything that I need to do. I need to clean your page desperately today, boys. You're nasty. It's 10:20. I ended up taking like a little bit of a nap because I was so uncomfortable going to the doctor in a few days. So hopefully I can get by until then. But I am done with 5 out of the 3, as I usually am this time of day. And we're almost done with the first row on my calendar, which will be nice because I'm so short and I have to reach and it's like hard for the camera to see, I feel like. I don't know. But I am so excited that this is filling in. Day before day 1, I was so stressed out and like part of me was thinking I was gonna wake up and just not do anything. But here I am on day 4. Day 4 is gonna look a little different than what I thought it was gonna look like because of the rash I'm dealing with on my armpits. But I'm still gonna do everything, and I'm just giving myself a little bit of compassion to do things differently than I had planned. My God, I need a new computer because my laptop keeps bugging out and Rush keeps just not wanting to work, and I could have been done editing the YouTube video I'm working on like 30 minutes ago, but I can't do anything. And it is driving me absolutely livid and insane. So I'm trying to restart my laptop again. But you know, I can't afford to get another laptop right now. So I'm just losing it right now. So I'm gonna take another break and clean and try and get my steps in because it is almost 12 and I'm not even at 1,000 steps. So we're gonna try focusing on that instead right now because I'm gonna blow my brains out. It's now 1 o'clock and I can't even transfer files from my SD card onto my hard drive because nothing is working technologically, and I am literally about to pull all my hair out because I am so freaking frustrated. I'm trying to keep it cool, but I am so livid. Like, I just want to punch something. Like, it shouldn't be this hard to fucking edit shit. Like, I'm trying to stay calm. I'm really trying to stay calm. Oh my God, Holly, get off the table. Holly, oh, you don't belong on the goddamn table. Losing it, losing it, losing it. I'm having so many technical difficulties right now that I just need to take a break. So I am, Jake, what are you doing? I'm walking my dog to get my steps in because I am not even at 1,000 steps for the day. So this is going to get me going a little bit. I think my laptop problem. Now I just need to wait for some videos to load. So that's totally out of my control. So I'm going to try and do what I can do to do the rest of what I need to do. All right, I don't want to jinx it, but I think I finally got to the end of the technical difficulties that have been driving me crazy because things are running a little smoother now, but oh my God, that was a nightmare. It is 2:10 and I'm only at 3,300 steps and I took my dog for a walk earlier, so I think I might take him for another walk just to get more steps in. And I have to finish working on my hobbies. More progress here on my diamond painting, and I finished putting the black parts of the eyes on these pickles. So I'm getting there, but the steps are gonna be the hardest part. And as I said in yesterday's video, I wanted to get my 10,000 steps in today earlier than I have for the rest of this challenge, but I don't think that's gonna happen just because of how today kind of got thrown off track a little bit, but I'm still going to get them in, so that's what matters. So I am working on meal prepping for the guinea pigs. I chopped everything up ahead of time. Make a little bit of a mess in the process. And then I put it all in these containers. And then I mix it all together and guinea pigs have dinner prepared for a few days at a time. All I have left to accomplish is my steps. I was on my walking pad for 20 minutes earlier, so I'm up to 8,000. So I'll get there, and if I just take my dog for a walk right now, I'll be at 10,000 by the time I get back. So I just, like I said before, I want today to be the day where I get everything done earlier than I have in the past 3 days. And it's 5:55 right now, and if I take my dog for a walk and get them done, I'll get my 10,000 steps in before 7 o'clock, which is my goal. And I sat around a lot of the day, and if I didn't just force myself to go for the walks that I went on, I would probably be at 2,000 steps for the entire day. So I ended up taking my dog for a walk and got my 10,000 steps in, but I forgot to come back and mark my calendar because I was on the phone. So day 4 is officially completed, which is crazy. And I've been getting a jump on getting all the past vlogs edited and uploaded. So I'm on a roll today, even though I had a buttload of technical difficulties. It's 7:15 right now, and I just got out of the shower and I'm gonna relax for the rest of the night. I am eating one of my favorite healthy snacks. Apples with cinnamon and brown sugar. I just put it in a little Tupperware container and shake it up, and it is delicious. And I love making it extra cinnamon sugary, and when I get to the end, I'll like scoop it up onto the apple. It is an amazing snack. Feeling exhausted after yesterday. It was one of my most productive days yet. I also have rashes on my armpits, so I'm taking it easy today. As long as I get my challenges done, it will be a win. I smoked weed after a long day, after I got my tasks done, and relaxed and had a nice night, but curious on if tonight I can allow myself to rest without it. I'm 5 months sober today, which is absolutely insane. So proud of myself for how far I've come. If me 5 months ago now could see me now, she would not believe it. At the time, I was only planning on taking a few weeks off drinking, but here we are now. Showing up for myself today looks a little different. I'm giving myself compassion to take things slow, but reminding myself that I can still accomplish anything. I'm so thankful for all of my friends, family, pets, and past experiences that have gotten me to this point.